I'm Andy Hunter. I'm the owner of Lynch Creek with my lovely wife, Tracy. We've owned Lynch Creek since technically since 2006 when we separated from what was the original farm and floral shop. But I've been running Lynch Creek Farm since 1998. A couple hundred wreaths literally is where we started. And now we have 4 shipping lines in 3 different warehouses. Each one of those shipping lines can do 20 wreaths and centerpieces a minute.
My name is Everardo Munguia, but everyone calls me Eve for short. I'm Director of Operations here at Lynch Creek Farm. Lynch Creek Farm provides Christmas wreaths and Christmas centerpieces to customers all over the country. So we ship to all 50 states.
I love the manufacturing of products. I'm very good at figuring out how to make a beautiful wreath and how to continue to make many, many beautiful products, centerpieces and whatnot. I am not the best person at technology. I need somebody to help me, and that's what Fulfil does. When Fulfil came to be a part of the farm, our warehouse management system was a communication line. It was talking about how many wreaths we needed to make, we thought we needed to make of these products. It was hand weighing labels on a table. Seriously, we had scales, and that's how many wreaths we needed to make of a certain type because it labels weighed a certain amount. Basically reverse engineering how many pieces we needed to make based on the number of labels, the weight of the labels that we had. It was completely backwards. We buy raw materials, we turn those raw materials into products. Those base products get made into decorated products. That's what's happening behind me. This is our design team. There's about 100 people back there.
On our website, we have the ability for the customer to choose a different hanger, different lights, and in some cases we have chocolates, right, that can be added to your order. So we're able to add to a shipment those different types of options, and the script that is connected to Shopify from Fulfil, we're able to ship what the customer picked in their cart as accurate as possible, so we don't miss any of those add-ons or options for the customer. For us, since our season is so short, in 6 weeks, we have to ship so much, we've had to be a little quicker. Fulfil has allowed us to do that in a timely manner with their API, and it allows us to create batches by all different aspects, all different filters, from product type to planned ship dates, just all these different fields that we can create these applications and make sure that we create the right batches and get those to our shipping lines.
So we have 2 different divisions when it comes to ordering our products. You can do so as a normal customer, whether it's just on their website, buying gifts for other people or for yourself through our fundraising program as well. Or we have a corporate gifting program where big companies can place very large orders.
So they don't use our front-end Shopify store. They will reach out to us, send us a list of their addresses with the recipients. Fulfil allows us to take that information and upload it into Fulfil and create the shipments that we need with the right sales order and in a timely manner.
Our team takes their time to really listen to the customer, hear what they have to say, understand their issue, and do all we can to help them. We don't have call quotas or email quotas with our agents. We don't rush them through. The quality of the interaction with the customer comes first.
We have hundreds of SKUs now. Back in the day, we had 4 SKUs. So we went from, very minimal SKUs, which was easier to manage, to hundreds and hundreds of SKUs. So that part is what Fulfil is brilliant at. We appreciate everybody there that helps us.